Okay, here's the video of Blackberry 9790 for replacement of the LCD. Future Gadget is posting this video, so it can help any person to replace the broken LCD. So what you require to do this task is a T5 screwdriver and a tweezer, an opening tool, and just a small regular screwdriver. Okay, so this is how the process works. And that's how the faceplate comes off. Similar to Blackberry 9700 or 9780. Because it's a touchscreen phone, so the LCD is underneath the digitizer. So there are about total 7 screws which you have to open it up, and then you have to undo the flex cables and the other speaker connector, and there's a one at the back. And that's how the LCD comes off. Now you can replace with a new one. I hope this video is going to help a lot of people to replace their broken part. Thank you very much. Have a good day.